It's good to be back. Hi, my name is Shivangi. I am an artist and an entrepreneur. I am 28 years old. In 2025, I took a challenge to post every single month on YouTube, and this is the September edition. Let's get started. On September 15th, 2025, I launched my art website, and this video is going to be how you can build your own website in less than 1,000 rupees. I'm not a techie, I do not know how to code. If you are an artist or a creative person, I'm sure the idea of making your own website has definitely crossed your mind. But then questions like, will anyone even buy from me? Do I have the money to start a website? I don't know where to start. If you have those questions wrapped around in your head, hear me out. The first question, will anyone actually buy from your website? The answer is very simple. You will never know until you try. At some point of life, you have to take that leap of faith. And even when nobody else around you believes in you, you have to believe in yourself, because if you go around and ask your friends and your family that should I start this or should I start that, mostly people say no to new things. The second question, do I have the money? I built my website in less than 1,000 rupees, so the bigger question is, are you ready to invest in yourself? Because if you're watching this video in a smartphone and you have a roof above your head, I'm sure that you can manage to save 1,000 bucks if you really want to. Now, the third question, I don't know where to start. Well, of course you don't. Nobody knows. Nobody in the beginning knows every single thing that they're doing. But once you allow yourself to start and to invest, you will slowly get there. You will slowly start learning things. And I'm a big preacher for the thought that you don't need to know everything in order to do something. You can start doing that thing and then you can learn along the way. Don't let your inner perfectionist kill your creativity. The trick is to build first and then learn along the way. Every problem that you face will teach you the next skill that you need to learn. So, I'm not going to teach you how to actually build your website from scratch on this video, because as I said, I am myself learning, and there are so many people who are living and breathing this stuff, and they are the people that I have learned from. So if you are really passionate about building your own website, I have compiled a list of YouTube videos that has helped me build my website. So if you want that, check the description box below, and let's move to the next part. Building website is not a big thing in 2025. There are so many AIs that can literally do it in minutes. I have personally not used AI. I have built my website from scratch, like container by container. So if you don't want to invest that much of time and energy, then you can use platforms like Wix or Squarespace, where you can like easily drag and drop and get the job done very fast, very efficient, and very aesthetic. Or if you use WordPress, then you can also use pre-built themes to make your website faster. The point is, there are so many ways, and whatever is your budget, like, you can find a solution. But the important part is that you are willing to find the solution and you're not stuck in your own thought process of like, one day I will build the best website for my art. No, it's not gonna happen. You have to do the work first and then you perfect it over the years. Am I happy with how my website has turned out? No, I'm not. I just think it's like super basic and like, but that's okay. I can like improve on it now that it's out there. This is something that I have started with myself, to not let my perfectionism kill me. Whatever resources I have, whatever things that I have got, I just want to get the job done. As soon as you get an idea, just try to execute it as fast as possible. Now, here's something that most people will not talk about. When you start your own website, it's not just about selling your painting. Now, you have to do marketing, sales, social media, content planning, video shooting, photography. Like, there are so many things apart from painting that you need to do when you start. It's basically like running a small company. You need to ask yourself, am I ready to invest my time and my energy into this whole journey? So I gave myself 2 years just to paint, and I was just painting with the thought that this piece is going to live in somebody's home. The material should be high quality, and the varnishing and the finishing and the paint quality, everything needs to be professional grade, because the intention is not just to paint anymore, the intention is to sell. That shift happened. I started investing on good grade art materials. Within those 2 years, I made different types of products, And once my products were ready, that is when I started to build the website. So if you're watching this and you are really inspired to make your website, the first foremost thing that you need to do is to see if you have sellable products that you can actually sell. Website is basically a दुकान. तो दुकान में सामान क्या बिकेगा, सामान बनाना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. So if you do not have products, then give yourself 6 months, a year, whatever time you need to just focus on improving your skill and improving your art and learning how to varnish your paintings properly so that it does not fades with the time. Art is something that is supposed to be eternal, so you better use the products which will last that long. I am going to link my website just for you to see what I'm talking about. It's not the best website in the world at all. I'm still working on it, but I'm kind of semi-happy with the products. I'm not 100% happy with the products as well. I feel like I can do better, but this is the first collection, so yeah, it would mean the world to me. Even if you don't want to buy anything, just scroll around. I write journals as well. If that is something that attracts you, you can consider subscribing to my newsletter, and I will write you weekly newsletters. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next month in October.